Hello my lovely people, how una dey? I hope say una dey fine o. In today's video, I wan show na how I take make this hairstyle. Na so in. So this one when I cornrow already, na that one now I wan lose take cover the weave on if I don sew am finish. So I all dey cornrow where I wan sew the weave on put now. I will continue the cornrow the hair. Now the one where you did the middle so now now I want cornrow. Now inside now I want sew the hair put. Because you don't want me anything show. You want make the hair look natural. Now see I said when I cut comot, it still reach the back. So now only the inside of the hair now I want cornrow. So I section another one now and the weave again. I just continue the weaving like that. Now this hair now I use now 6 pieces 9 dey inside. Natural yanking. Now that they call the hair. I don't see the name. So I'll start to sew the hair now. Now see where I weave so now there only there now I want sew the hair put. I will continue to sew the hair. My lovely people, how na day? I hope so na day fine. Oh, me too, I day fine. I appreciate all of una. Una dey take una time till they watch my video, till they share my video, till they support me. I appreciate. May God do for now wetin I no fit do for una self. So I continue. They sew the hair like that. As I sew and reach the other side, I turn and come this side. So I'll still sew and come this side. And so I'll take continue around. I no cut am. I'll just still turn the hair now, go that side. Continue the sew. As I saw I reach the end here, I cut the thread, so I go tie and wear now. I for to secure am. So I'll come loose the hair round, take cover am. I don't lose all the side. As I lose I use flat iron to straight her hair put. So I'll brush the hair now. I use edge control to lay our baby hair. I'll just arrange the hair for her well. And the final look now be this. Thank you. I appreciate all of una. I bet if you never subscribe. I go see you now for my next video. Bye.